Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a door latch on a Kia Sorento. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set, specialized trim removal tools, and the new door latch assembly. It is crucial to work in a safe, well-lit area to ensure precision and prevent accidents. Before starting any work, always disconnect your vehicle's battery. This simple step prevents any potential electrical issues or short circuits during the repair, keeping you and your vehicle safe throughout the process. Next, we will focus on removing the door panel. Begin by carefully locating and removing all screws that secure the panel. These are often hidden behind small plastic covers or inside the door handle recess. Utilize a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cable, allowing you to fully remove the panel and set it aside safely. Now let's get to the heart of the repair, replacing the latch mechanism. Inside the door, you will find the old latch assembly secured by typically 3 or 4 bolts. Carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, disconnect all the rods and cables that are attached to the old latch. With the old latch removed, position the new door latch assembly into place. Secure it with the bolts, ensuring all connections are firm and correctly aligned for proper operation. Finally, it is time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all electrical components and the door handle cable to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, pressing firmly to engage all the clips. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug. Before closing everything up, thoroughly test the new door latch from both the inside and outside, confirming it opens and closes smoothly and securely every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.